Let's talk about electronic batch records, or EBRs. They're totally changing how pharma works.
You see, every single step in making a medicine has to be documented perfectly.
But what happens when those records are wrong? The stakes are, well, incredibly high. For a long time, this was all done on paper. And that's where the trouble starts.
Think about it, messy handwriting, lost pages. It's just slow and super prone to error. So what's the fix? Say hello to the electronic batch record, the digital solution.
An EBR basically digitizes everything. It creates one secure, central source of truth for manufacturing. Just look at the difference. It's all about cutting down errors and boosting reliability. And this isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's basically becoming mandatory. Regulations, like from the FDA, demand things like secure audit trails and e-signatures. And the business payoff? It's huge. Companies are seeing massive gains in efficiency. But switching from paper to digital isn't exactly a walk in the park. First up, data cleanup. Can you believe over half the data being tracked wasn't even critical? Then you got to deal with new tech, legacy systems, and tons of validation. It's a lot. But even with the hurdles, the momentum is real. The future of pharma is digital.
And the market is just exploding. We're talking $85 billion projected by 2035.
And the tech itself is evolving fast. Think AI analytics and even blockchain for security.
And here's the real payoff, a huge drop in errors, which means safer, better medicine.
So it makes you wonder, with perfect data and AI, could we get to perfectly made medicine?